Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy.
Good morning, Millennium Falcons, and today we have some general announcements.
Alright, to start it off, we have the TLC Family Fun Day, which is next Saturday. And if you're interested in playing basketball or volleyball in one of the tournaments, you want to go talk to Mr. Snell as soon as possible.
Oh, yes, and so band will have their next spring performance next week on Thursday, May 5th at Kimball High School. Doors are open at 6:45, and the concert begins at 7. Tickets for adults will be $5, and for teens it'll be $3, and if you're under 10 years old, it's free.
And also, there is a mandatory CSF meeting this Friday in M1 at 12:15, so you got to be there.
And if you need those hours,
You know, to graduate, like,
yup.
kind of a big deal. There are applications for TAing in the counseling office, so you want to get those if you need some hours. And last but not least, there is a speech and debate conference on May 7th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you want to come, this event is free. You'll be hearing stuff from people who have taken speech and debate and how it has affected their lives. And you want to talk to Miss Amata if you want to go as soon as possible, because this event is on Thursday, May 5th.
And if like if you don't like those skills, those argument skills.
Yeah, I'm not a very good arguer.
Yeah, get some tips from there.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
All right.
And I think that's it.
Yeah, that is it.
Falcon Pride on 3.
Falcon Pride on 3.
1,
2.
3.
Falcon
Falcon
Pride.
Pride.